All right, here's a look at the traffic along the 101 South. Now, if you recall, prior to the weekend, we had all that stalling of traffic due to grapevine travel, but this is just standard run-of-the-mill, get to where you're going, obviously before New Year's kind of traffic. That storm system that was hitting us over the weekend, it decided to go just a little bit further south. So what it did, it limited the rainfall and snowfall totals a little bit. However, we're talking about high surf, but that's not from our storm. All of this in this forecast is from a storm that was out by the International Dateline on Saturday. So building surf 10 to 14 feet, then it goes to 15 to 18 feet. What's interesting about this, strong rip and a really long swell period that will go between 15 and 25 seconds. That actually concentrates the wave energy. So these are incredibly dangerous swells that we're talking about here. So not only tall, but again, powerful in terms of the energy. And again, they came from a long way away, and they're in the forecast basically all week long. Becky Matters views of the skies today. Really like this picture. Just happened to catch the shadow there of the sun through that cloud. Really nice view there. Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Use the hashtag #BeyondKSBY. Regular contributor Michelle Sherman up along the North Coast today with yet another great shot of the waves hitting the coastline. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. Currently, it's 58 in San Luis, 55 in Paso, and 60 in Goleta, 55 Santa Barbara. These are garden variety winter temperatures. Winds, a little bit of this offshore push, and that's what we're going to see much of this week as high pressure builds in. Night and morning offshore winds, afternoon onshore winds, lather, rinse, repeat. Pismo Beach temperatures falling over the next 6 hours from the middle to upper 50s into the mid 40s by 10. Lompoc, same story here. You can see how those northeast winds, though, stay with us as we go into the midnight hour. And again, Santa Barbara as well, dropping roughly 7 degrees, could be as much as 10 degrees between now and 10 o'clock tonight. Santa Maria from 57 down to 49 with that northerly flow established. San Luis Obispo as well, that offshore push will be there, clearing out the skies. The thing is, we will see in some of the wind-sheltered interior valleys areas of low cloud cover late overnight and early in the morning. There's our storm system, again, kind of just nipped us and went too far to the south to create a lot of big-time difficulties over California. You can see how it's raining in far southern California. This is that snowstorm Richard and Karina were just showing you. Yeah, it stopped snowing in Fargo, but it doesn't mean it's not snowing in Milwaukee and Madison and places like that. Pretty significant storm system. It's snow in New York State as well. Overnight lows tonight, dropping into the mid-30s in the interior valleys and some of the coastal valleys in the 30s as well. Santa Maria, San Luis Obispo 40s overnight, back up into the low to mid-60s tomorrow. That's not bad. That offshore flow, plenty of sunshine, will start warming things up. Solvang, Santa Ynez 64, 64 in AG as well, 62 Pismo Beach. We can even do a little better than that in some of the beach communities, but it is winter and the days are still pretty short here. 5-day forecast trend. Is there one? Really level all the way through the week. And it's not just the 5, it's the 7 and even the 10-day as well. High pressure sticking around for a while.